Hello, my name is Anton Novikov. I'm working as financial analyst at Financial Markets Consulting, and today I'm going to represent you the information about the Volkswagen company. But first of all, I'd like to start from overviewing the current situation in the financial markets around the globe. Currently, we see that their economics are growing, and especially the leader of this growth is the economy of the United States of America. The European economy is on the second place, but the first one and the main point is that the economy of the United States is growing, it is developing. So, based on what the growth of the economy we see, the first one is that their job market is growing, their real estate market is growing as well. So we see almost their inflation is growing as well, and the base inflation is growing. So all of these factors give us a sense that the economy of the United States performing well, and the company which we've chosen for considering to the shares of which to buy is the Volkswagen, because the Volkswagen has used to have a big share of their cars market in the United States, but due to emission scandal, the Volkswagen company lost this share. But now we'll tell you later on about why we consider the shares of Volkswagen to buy. But first of all, let's start from the level at which the shares of Volkswagen company are being traded. They're traded at the price of $120 per share. The prospective growth of Volkswagen company shares is $145 till $160 per share. So we see that macroeconomic situation is quite well around the globe. And we see that everything goes well, and Volkswagen, if it gets back to their US market, would get would benefit from it. But the Volkswagen made a very interesting step. It announced, first of all, let's mark it first, it announced their release of electric car to the public on 1st and 2nd of October 2016. The range which the electric car of Volkswagen made would be is 372 miles, what is 102 miles more compared to Tesla Motors, the ticker Tesla, which Model S reach something about 270 miles. So compared to this number, it's 102 miles less than their car of Volkswagen, which is going to be released soon. Recall 1 and 2 2nd of 1st and 2nd of October in Paris. So let's mark it Paris. Paris Motor Show. We'll see lots of cars, but the main point which I would like to tell you about is the electric car which would be shown by Volkswagen company. And this is really good news, because Volkswagen is going to increase the amount of electric cars sold in the market. They're going, first of all, let's get back. They're going to get back to the USA. They're going to release the electric car. And this car is better than Model S Tesla, and it is the same price, has the same price, but is much more better. It would reach 372 miles more by 102 miles than Tesla car. And the electric cars, the amount of electric cars produced by Volkswagen is going to increase. They're going to increase their set of electric cars they are selling to the public. There would be almost 30 different electric cars, different models. They are planning to sell almost 2 to 3 millions of cars per year. The amount of sales by 2025 will have reached almost 2 to 3 millions of cars per year. So it's a great amount. They're going to push back the Tesla and move it out from the market. Probably the probability is very high. They are going to get back to the USA because they are currently, these days, they are in preliminary settlement talks with the US Justice Department. So it means they're going to work out the problems and get back to the market and increase the share of the market in Volkswagen. They're going in the USA. They're going to increase the sales. They're going to increase their income. So it means that their income of the Volkswagen as a result would increase. It would attract the investors, and the shares of Volkswagen would go up till 145, 160, probably even higher. It depends on their circumstances. It depends on the situation and conditions in the markets. So, and the third reason, that's why we consider that Volkswagen is in a good shape, is that Volkswagen company got the approval from the Germany authorities for fixing 460,000 cars. So they're going to, again, it links to their scandal, emission scandal, and they're going to fix these cars, the software which decreases the level of emission, and they're going to fix this software in 460,000 cars. They've got almost 2 million cars fixed, but they're going to fix some more, the amount of which you see here. So all this news are very good. All this news means that they're going to open up the new line of how they're going to earn money. And these are electric cars. The second, they get back to the USA, to a very important market for Volkswagen and its cars. And the third, they show the investors, they show the buyers of their cars, they won't leave them with a problem on their own. They're going to help them. So all of this means that Volkswagen is a good company for buying the stocks which are attractive and performing well. The stocks of this company are undervalued, and you may consider buying the stocks at the price of 120 till 145, 160 holding period. So they may volatile a bit and go a bit lower, but doesn't mean at all that Volkswagen company is performing badly. It just means that it's volatile and there are some news probably which affect in the bad way, but the main news are really good. It means they're going up and these news are really good. So the holding period of the time horizon of investment is about 3-6 months. So that's all for now. My name is Anton Novikov. Thank you for your time and goodbye.